Today I'll show you how to get an Apple discount using the UNiDAYS app. First, if you haven't set up your UNiDAYS account, let's get your account set up. Click sign up in the top corner and choose your country and institution. If you're studying online or at a lesser known school, make sure that your institution is accredited. Otherwise, UNiDAYS may not recognize it. Enter your student email and address. The email must be issued by your school, like .edu for US students. If you don't have one, check your school's IT department to set it up. Create a secure password for your account, then click Verify Student Status. You'll receive a verification email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. If it doesn't arrive right away, check your spam or junk folder. Now you'll have to upload your ID. You can either upload your ID card or upload a document. It must have your name, a valid date, and the name of your school, college, or university. Once confirmed, you're ready to browse and access discounts. After you have an account, you can just Google UNiDAYS Apple discount or look for discounts in the app. By clicking on any of these links, you'll be directed to the UNiDAYS app or website. Here you can scroll through deals, and once you find one that you'd like, click on Get Now. If there are no Apple discounts on UNiDAYS, you can always look for the official Apple website. They often offer exclusive student discounts. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our tutorials. See you next time!